Hello, welcome to today's tech tip video. Today I'm going to show you how to, on the Touch Chat app, change the settings so that when you are using the keyboard, individual letters will talk. So the default setting is when you touch individual letters, it does not speak. But for different literacy skills and activities, I like for when I touch the letter for it to speak. So you come up here to menu, go to settings, and you're going to scroll down to speak. Right now, speak words is on and speak sentences is on. You can see they're toggled green, but speak characters is off. So I'm just going to touch that to toggle it on. Hit done. Now,
A, B, C.
Now you have speech when touching individual letters. Hope that you find that helpful.